Hi everybody. In this occasion we are going to replace the spark plugs in a Toyota Camry 4 cylinders 2007. It's a engine 2.4, and right here is what we are going to need. It's a 10mm socket, and a spark plug socket, an extension, a wrench, the electric grease, one little screwdriver, flat screwdriver, anti-seize compound for the spark plugs, and of course the spark plugs. This is the ones I am going to use. These are not the ones from the dealer for the car. You can use any one you want, just be sure it's the right one for the engine, and that's it. Como pueden ver, vamos a cambiar las bujías de una 2007, un Toyota Camry. Aquí está lo que necesitamos, como ya lo expliqué, y pues vamos a empezar. Okay, the first thing we have to do is take off the cover. Lo primero es quitar la tapadera with the 10mm socket. And we have to check the spark plugs to be sure it's no damage from the store or something like that. The gap is 0.044, but we don't have to adjust them because they supposedly come right from the store. We just have to check them to find out if it's not damage on them, and that's it. Okay. Take off the cover. And now when the cover is off, we have to release these connectors. Sometimes they break out, so take care when you take them out. I am going to use both hands. I am going to use this small screwdriver, flat driver, to push this, and then with my another hand I am going to pull it, because they are really tricky to take it out, and many times they break out. We have to disconnect everyone. Anyway, we cannot make mistakes when we connect it again, because the length of the wire is so. You see? So we disconnect it. When they break out, we have to use some kind of tape or something to make sure this one is still in place. Okay, there we go. Then we are going to use the socket to release this one. We are going to do one by one. When we get done with one, we are going to jump to the another one. In that way we locate everything in the same. So over here. You have to make sure your socket for the spark plugs is tight, it's in good condition. In that way, when you are going to put the new plugs, it don't fall off from the socket. If when you are losing them they feel rusty or stuff like that, you can put a little bit WD-40, let it rest for 30 minutes, and then come back and finish it. Don't try to take it out if it's too tight. So, as you can see, I take him out. As I told you, make sure your socket is tight and they don't fall off, because you can damage the new ones when you are putting back. Okay, on these ones we are going to put some anti-seize compound on the top of everyone. In that way, when we replace it again, they are in a nice way to take them out. And we are going to follow this process with every spark plug, and then reassemble it. We can put some the electric grease on the top of the spark plug to improve the connection and protect it from rust, stuff like that. You can leave it like that if you don't want to do it, but I just recommend it. Okay, now then let's put it back. Remember, do not overtight the spark plugs. I think if you use a torque wrench, you can have to be from 11 pounds to 15. I am not really sure. You do not overtight. I mean, you are going to feel when you need the right pressure. And then we just put back all the assembly. And then we are going to do the same process on all of them. Okay, after we connect everyone, that one is the only broken one, so I am going to leave it like that, and then if I find some issue or something like that, I'll let you know. I already tried to disconnect it and it's really tight, so I don't think we are going to have many problems. I already hear from few guys they already broken 2, 3, so we are going to put it and then we are going to test it. And then we already save a good money. These ones are not really tight because they are small bolts. So let's start it. It looks good. Thank you for watching. See you later, guys.